Hello guys, it's Louise here from CrazyBorgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful May day. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. So, thanks to Sweet Tea, yes, I have been on Temu or Temu, however you want to say it. And I have to admit, I got a bit carried away. Okay, so today's video, I'm going to be unbagging or unboxing lots and lots of lovely diamond paintings, but there's a lot there, guys. I'll just give you a sneak peek of how many. There's quite a lot, as you can see. There's about, I think there's about 15 of them altogether. Let me just count. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, hang on, and I've got an off-canvas item as well. So there's quite a lot here to unbag, or unbox even. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to do a couple of videos of this. So this is going to be part one of 2 parts of this massive haul from Temu. Okay, and when I tell you the prices of the diamond paintings, you're going to know why I went a bit crazy, because it's like, oh, it's rude not to. Okay, first and foremost, if I could ask you, if you have not done so already, to please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram on CrazyBorgies Diamond Art, and hit that little notification bell which will notify you of my future video uploads. So I think I'm just going to pull out a handful, guys, and yes, we will do some like that. How many have I got there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think that's about right. Yes, and 3, 6, 7. Plus, I'll do the off canvas today, and then I've got an accessory, yes, as well. But anyway, right, okay, I'm going to try to get through these. Everything that I show you today, I will try and link in the video description. I have purchased these out of my own money, so they haven't been sent to me free of charge. But I was just, well, I got a bit carried away, as I said before. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start off with the off-canvas item first. Don't know why I put you so far down. There we go. So I saw this cute little bag, and it looks like fake leather, and it is a diamond painted bag. Yes. Now, I was hoping it would be a bit bigger, but I would say you'd be able to fit your mobile phone in there. And let's have a look. It does feel like fake leather. We've got our diamonds inside, which I'm not going to take them out of the packets, guys, because if I did that, we'd be here literally all day long. The only special, I can see 2 specials, which are a medium orange and a large yellow teardrop there. So they are the diamonds. And obviously they're like sunflower colours, because it is a sunflower image on this one. So you get your standard kit, and you get your chain as well, that you can have your bag over your shoulder. Okay. Now this is the first time I've purchased from Temu, so I am curious about them. I have to admit, I am very, very curious, because as I'm sure a lot of you are aware, they are all over the place at the moment. Yes. So it's a lovely chain for a bag, actually. It's a bit tangled, but I just want to see if I could get it on the bag and see how long that would make the bag, because I like to wear my bags over, like across my body, so to speak, because that's how I feel safe, really. I feel like no one's going to try and take them from me. If it's on your shoulder, I feel like it's easy for people to just run past and snatch it off your shoulder. So I just wanted to see, yeah, so I could get it over my shoulder, so it's just at my, I'm just going to lift you up, so just at my like hip area, so that's perfect for me. Okay, easy for me. I'd say I could fit, where's my purse? See, this is my purse, so yeah, it's a bit small for the purse, but I don't usually go out with the full. Would I be able to fit my phone in? Yes, I can fit my phone in perfectly. So my mobile phone is in there perfect. So I'd say it's a smallish purse for maybe if you're just popping out to do a quick bit of shopping and you just want your phone and some cards. That's it. I wouldn't be carrying a big massive purse. I don't carry it around with me most of the time anyway. But I thought it was cute. And obviously I love the sunflowers. Adhesive is nice. It's a partial, so you only diamond paint some of the sunflower and the leaves. Okay. And let me just see. I'll take my phone out. I would say, let's have a look, see if I've got it on my phone, because I just literally took, here we go, it says 19 by 17 centimetres this bag is, and it was £5.48p. I would have liked it a little bit bigger, if I'm honest, you know, but at the end of the day, for that sort of price, I don't mind. And as I said, it's leather, and you could fit your phone in there and some debit or credit cards in there, just for a quick pop to the shops. So yes, lovely. I really like this. It's cute and it's quirky, and of course once it's got them diamonds on, it will be really sparkly. And it's got a clear diamond painting area as well. So yes, that's the first little thing I saw and grabbed. And of course, I'm going to take the kits out. As I complete these, I will show you my completions, as I always do. I do love the gold chain though, it is very nice. There we go. That's the first item. Second item now is a diamond painting, of course. It's rude not to at the prices. Right. Okay, so this one is a 30 by 40 full drill, and it is, well, it has 24 colours, and it's like a fairy tale sort of image. Let me just give it a quick roll. Very soft. Oh, old style of diamonds, as we can see, but it does have the canvas number on there. I'm not going to take them out, guys, but you can see the colour palette is mainly pinks, lilacs, and dark purples. A few browns in there, but that's mainly the colour palette. So there we go. Okay. This one is a little bit wrinkled, but not too much. Adhesive is good. And we do have all the DMC codes listed on the legend as well. And the symbols are all alphabetical. I didn't say on the bag. On this bag, they're numerical, the symbols. So, but on this diamond painting, it is all alphabetical. That's the image, guys. So it's like a fairy tale image, isn't it? Like all pink, little pink blossom house, maybe I'll call it. There we go. That's the thumbnail. And the drill area is clear. How well it comes out at this size, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see, won't we? So, the next one is a 30 by 30 centimetres. Standard kit once again. And this one is a special shaped partial. Okay. Don't want to lose my phone because I need to know the prices. Okay. So, this one, we have funky symbols for the diamond painted symbols. And a partial is where we only diamond paint some of the painting, not all of it. So there we go. I don't have a thumbnail on this one. Adhesive is good. Symbols are nice and clear. And it has a bit of a sparkle in the canvas as well. There. I'm not a fan of those funky symbols though. Okay, so that's the diamond painted area. Lovely, beautiful clear symbols. Lovely, no thumbnail so I can't show you. This one has the canvas on there. You'd have to apologise, Rio, who's come back into earshot. They're gorgeous. They've got the AB coating on as well. Wow, look at those. Beautiful. As you can see, the quality is really, really good as well. Lovely. And that's it. Just 10 colours on this little partial. This one, special shaped tree, £2.42, guys, which is a really good bargain for special shape because as you know, as I've said before, they always tend to be a bit more expensive. It's got penguin written on it though. Oh, it's a full drill crystal rhinestone and special shaped canvas. Wasn't expecting that. This one comes with a plastic pair of tweezers as well, which I never use because they just break on me, guys. So there we go. I wonder why it says penguin. There's no penguin. There's no animal on the canvas at all. There we go. That's the image. So it's just a simple image of a love heart there. The diamond painted area is quite small symbols there though. And that's a thumbnail just there. I don't know why it says penguin though. Who knows? Okay. So yes, always double check that your canvas number up here matches the diamond bags, okay guys? So there's that one. Okay, so this one is a bubble round actually, because the background has 3 different sizes in it. So let's go this way first actually. So we have reds, blues, dark blue there, well it's sort of like an aqua blue, an amberish colour, another blue, light blue. You're going to have a lot of blues because it's a water image. Then like a clear. Is it a clear? Yes. Well, it's a clear with a little bit of silver in it. And then we've got a medium, no, a large size in a yellow colour, rhinestone. We've got a medium yellow, and then normal size, a big normal size of yellow. I think this is for the sand. And then we've got a large pink, medium pink, and then just normal pink. But the quality is very good, guys. Now, we've been joined by the Rio bird because obviously she wants to get involved because, as you guys know, she loves unboxings and she loves the camera too. So she always has to get involved. This one, here we go, DIY 5D diamond painting, love heart, 30 by 30, £2.42 as well. Excellent. For a full drill special crystal rhinestone, that is excellent. Teemu. There we go. Beautiful. The symbols are very small though, that is the one thing. If I was being picky, which I'm not for that price. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Rio's staring at me in anticipation. Don't you get any ideas, missus? There we go. So this one is 30 by 40 full drill, 27 colours on this one, and yeah, we have numerical symbols and alphabetical symbols and a crazy parrot as well. Good adhesive. There we go. This is just beautiful, this one. Trying to do this with a parrot on my hand, on my arm even, guys. This is dedication for you. Oh, Rio, you're a nightmare sometimes. You really are. I saw this one and it made me think of my uncle. His anniversary. Whoops, get off the canvas because you're going to go and get stuck to it. And then we're going to have a problem with your feeties or your claws. Yes, this one. Oh, Rio, now she's got her foot stuck. Both feet even. Come on, let go. I tell you, I couldn't make this up, guys. I really couldn't. What are you like? Maybe that teaches you a lesson. Do you think? Yes. Not to go walking on mummy's canvases. Making some funky noises over there, Rio. She's on my shoulder, guys. Look. There, she's blowing kisses in my ears now. Okay, so. Welcome to the nut house. Yes. Yes, that was one of his favourite sayings. So, clear drill area, as you can see. I think my camera's going to die any minute, so I'm going to have to wait for it to cool down a bit. Loving the squirrels. I do love squirrels anyway. There we go. That's the thumbnail. Is just, whoa, there. I am sure I've got this in cross stitch. I'm positive, in fact. This one was £2.78, guys. I mean, you just can't moan, can you? At these prices. I mean, geez. £2.78. And I think when I went through to the checkout, it even tells you how much money you've saved as well. And it worked out that because I bulk ordered all mine, that I'd saved, I think it was like about maybe £100 or so, something like that. It worked it out to. So you just cannot moan. And then, of course, you get the free shipping as well, which is excellent value as well. I mean, honestly, you just can't moan, can you? So this one has some baggies in it as well, which is good for leftovers. So, okay, we've got the parrot on there now. Are you going to behave yourself, Rio? Maybe not. She obviously wants to present something to yourselves, guys. I don't think I'll take these ones out because the colours, 27 colours. Actually, let's look through them. I do like to look through the colours myself personally. It just means it's a longer video. WX1793, yeah, that matches. Wow, beautiful blues. This is going to be a flyby colour display there. Lovely. Rio, she loves this. This is her favourite part of an unboxing, guys, is looking at the diamonds. Loving that colour there. Lots of blues, gorgeous blues. Another red. Another blue. Dark greens. More greens coming in. Yeah, lovely. Lovely jubbly. all 27 colours. Let's see. Give us a kiss. Mwah. Ah. Mwah. She gives lovely kisses. She's 2 now, guys. She's coming up to her 2nd birthday. Rio, don't do that, darling. She does this regurgitating thing. It means they really love you, apparently, but I don't want her regurgitated food, so I'm not quite sure why she does that. Why she thinks that she wants to give me her food, because I really don't want that, love. You know? There we go. Honestly, every animal I have goes a bit crazy, guys. I don't know why. I don't know. My children say it's me that I make them all crazy. You never know. Oh, it's a crazy Borgie thing. There we go. Right, next one. This one is a partial and 30 by 40. This one doesn't have a thumbnail, guys, but drill area is nice and clear. Right, so while the camera was off, I just went through the paintings, took them out of their bag so they're ready for me to show you. So, as I was saying, this lovely one, partial 30 by 40, beautiful sunflower and daffodils, no thumbnail, funky symbols, good adhesive, and just 10 colours. And this one is £2.42, guys. Wow. This one also has a couple of ABs in here, so let's have a look. An AB is the Aurora Borealis coating, which is a special coating that gives it an extra bling. So we have 3 ABs and 3 specials, and then 4 normal crystal rhinestones, guys. So wow, we have yellows, an aqua blue, bright pink, there's the yellow AB, a green AB, a white AB, and then a marquee, small marquee, again covered in the AB coating, and a larger yellow, sort of amber actually, colour AB there, not AB, sorry, marquee. And then we've got an AB coated orange rhinestone in a medium size as well. Or no, or maybe a large size actually. No, I'll say medium, yes. But can you believe that? 3 ABs, 3 special shapes, 4 crystal rhinestones, £2.42, guys. I mean, you know, you just cannot beat these prices. This is just, I'm actually really shocked. Half of these I was not expecting to have, like, I wasn't expecting ABs. I was expecting maybe 1 or 2 to have crystal rhinestones. Not many special shapes, but that's amazing. This one's blown me away actually. Okay, so moving on to the next one. This is the one that got me hooked and curious about Temu. You'll recognise it because it was on Sweet Teas. Yes, this one. This was the one that I thought, oh yes, I'm going to have a look on Temu. Because it's got love hearts, it's got rainbows, and my girls love rainbows and unicorns and all that sort of girly stuff. And it just looked amazing. 30 by 30, full drill. We have 28 colours on this, so a lot of colours. We have the DMC codes. We have a thumbnail. And adhesive is good, yeah. Very clear. I just love it. I love this one. £2.28p, guys. I mean, £2.28p. I just can't believe it. I really cannot believe it. Like, I'm in shock. I really am. I thought that when I went on there had to be some sort of catch, but no, there really isn't. These prices are just unbelievable. Okay, G133, yes. So there we go. I'm showing you the drills because I like to look at the quality of the diamonds myself, and being that this is a new to me company, I just want to see what they're like, the diamonds, because let's face it, you'd have to love the diamonds to do diamond painting, wouldn't you? Rio is obviously in love with the diamonds too. There we go. We've got definitely all the colours of the rainbows here. Lovely. Every colour you could think of. Including you said a rainbow parrot. A pineapple conure parrot trying to attack them. There's my favourite colour, red. Yes. Lovely. I mean, I'm trying to think of something, 1 to 20, that I can say that's negative about any of this. The only thing I'd say is maybe one of them, the plastic was a bit old. That was it, really. That was it, wasn't it, Rio? No. Getting sleepy. There we go. £28 is a lot for a small 30 by 30 as well. Rio, come on, she wants me to muck around with her, guys. There you go, I'll play with you for a little bit. There we go, there we go, there we go. See? She likes a good old play fight, does Rio, don't ya? Yes. Oh no, we're not doing the regurgitating again, Rio, we're not. Rio, stop trying to tap my hand. She's hit the terrible twos with a passion, guys, haven't ya? There, look. Terrible twos, Rio. Terrible twos. Rio. Rio. Kiss mummy. Ah. See? There you are. Yes. You're very naughty, aren't you, today? She's like, yes, I am. I'm owning it, aren't you? You're owning your naughtiness today, yeah? Oh, yes. She likes her strokes. You're a funny thing, aren't you? She's a funny thing, I tell you. Right, there's that one. £2.28. Excellent value. Good quality diamonds. They have all of them have the canvas code on as well. Excellent. Okay, last one now. Yay! last one of this part. We've still got part 2 to go yet. This one again is another tree. Don't have a thumbnail to show you, but I'll show you the drill area. Lovely. And this one was on the website for £2.51, guys. Again, for a special, excellent value. So we diamond paint a little bit on the butterfly, just a little bit, but not much really, just on the wings, I think. Oh, Rio, honestly. So we have 12, yeah, 12 colours, and we have funky symbols for this one. The other one was all alphabetical and numerical on the other one. Good adhesive. I would say with most of them was your standard kit. A few of them came with some extra baggies. That's about it really for the kit, which is fine. And this one, is this the right one? R8251. Yes, it is. It is, Rio. Stop trying to regurgitate now. It's not a good look. It's not a good look, Rio. Okay. We don't have the crystal codes on the legend on this one, but that's okay. I don't actually store mine by that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 specials. And then we have 6 normal crystal rhinestones, guys. There we go. There's a purple AB coated teardrop in a pearl effect as well. We've got some clear teardrops with AB coating on as well, and some red AB coated teardrops, teeny tiny yellow teardrops, orange AB coated medium size rhinestones, and then I call these snowflake style, snowflakes, that's what I call them, whoops, with AB coating on as well. So lovely. I mean, you know, £2.51, excellent value again, because when you start going into special shapes, they do usually cost a bit more. I hope I'm not repeating myself too much, guys, on this video, so I know I can do. I can repeat what I say a lot. Okay, so that's the end of my part 1 for my massive Temu haul. So I think you'll agree with me. This is just an amazing haul, really. I'm baffled, shocked, and just can't quite believe it, guys. I'm gonna diamond paint the whole street. I'll have to give one to every neighbour, won't I? Not to do, obviously, just to keep once completed, because I want to do it. So there we go, in the bag as well. I mean, you know, what can I say? What can I say? Let me know in the comment section what you think down below, which one your favourite is. And please like, subscribe, share, and follow me on TikTok and Instagram, CrazyBorgies Diamond Art. So thank you so much for joining me today. It's a goodbye from myself. If you can see me, bye. Bye. bye guys, and a bye-bye from this mad Rio bird. Yes, I'm talking about you. Okay guys, so take care, God bless, and let me know. Well, I'm going to stay tuned for part 2, because that again is another 7 canvases and 1 accessory. Okay guys, so bye for now, take care, God bless, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.